Right, that guy's just subscribed to my channel. He's on an underclick. Great guy, thumbs up, take care, God. Oh. Right, we found her. She sat there. Don't know what she's doing. Right, we're off. Oh, it's the internet cafe. Oh, I didn't notice. Okay.
It's not me that I'm doing the job there.
It's an internet cafe here, guys.
I'm just a laborer of my papa.
He's a labourer, Papa.
Yeah, that's what it's
So it's an internet cafe.
I'm just a laborer
On the subdivision here. How nice is that? Absolutely beautiful. Right, we're going to walk down the road. It's very, very sunny. And as you know, it's very hard to see, guys. Very hard to see. To keep looking at my phone, really try to focus. So, yeah, Joveline's just telling me about a builder. I'll chat to her later. So, it looks like we've got a lot of solar panels up on the roof. Let me see if I can blow that up. Wow, we can blow it up. I can actually see my phone. It's a beautiful day, guys, but it's very, very sunny. Very hard to see.
So it's good for us.
And this is all lemongrass.
Lemongrass garden.
What's the apples? Like big
Apple guava?
apple guava.
Yes.
Oh, absolutely lovely.
Apple guava.
Apple guava. So how lovely is that, look? Lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Absolutely beautiful.
Lemongrass garden.
As my videos keep turning on and off, I'm hoping I managed to make a video today. So guys, I hope you're all well and taking care. I hope you're all fine. We're going here now to visit a lady friend of ours. She could be still in Australia. She's in this subdivision. It's a beautiful, quiet place, but I actually prefer the province. But it's a great place. It's nice and quiet. It's got guards on. Everyone looks out for each other, so to speak. I think this is another building plot.
They have also a water pump here.
Really?
Yeah. That one.
Oh yeah. Looks like somebody's dug a well. It's another water pump, look. Absolutely beautiful. Free water. You can't beat it, can you? Absolutely gorgeous.
Too big for me.
Lovely little garden here, look.
Vegetable garden.
Vegetable. Oh, what's this vegetable here, look?
Okra.
Oh, that's an okra.
Yeah.
Ah, it looks like a big onion.
Chilies
Off
there.
a carabao.
They have chilies.
So look at the flower on this, guys. I'm just actually trying to move my umbrella so it's shady. How nice is that, look?
Okra.
Beautiful.
That's okra, guys, and they have also chilies that looks
Okra,
like
chilies.
it's water.
I can't see anything, I'm just aiming the camera.
They have also
Are these sweet potatoes?
spring onions there.
Onions, spring onions, sweet potatoes.
Potato.
Hello! We've got the local guard dogs. And they're barking because we're strangers. So they're doing a good job barking.
This is the purple sweet potato.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Purple.
Wow, I can hear thunder and lightning.
And this one, the eggplant.
Eggplant.
Looks like this one.
Wow.
You heard thunder.
Yeah, I can hear thunder and lightning.
Thundering.
New house, great. You know, I think we need to make videos early in the morning or when it's shady. Right, guys? Please make a comment.
It's too sunny here.
It's
today.
too sunny here today, but there's some lovely banana trees there, look.
But when,
That's gated off.
but when it's going to afternoon time, it's
Yeah,
after
it's
rain.
really hot. It's going to rain actually any time now. I should have thought. Could be totally wrong.
Oh, this is their gate.
Yeah, it's private, nice and
Looks
private.
like this gate is quite nice.
Yeah, it's a nice gate. Just needs painting. Really nice gate. Got quite a nice design, it's nice and private. And that's a lovely house there, look at that guys, what do you think? I know I'm going to have big shoulders by the time I finish today. Beautiful.
There's a lot of nice houses here in this subdivision.
There's a lot of beautiful houses here in this subdivision.
Guys.
But like I said, they've got dogs and it's well guarded. So it is well guarded here, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I don't know what this place is. Is that another house?
Another house?
Oh, it's a bungalow.
Yeah.
Yeah, quite nice.
And, wow.
Right, we'll wait till we get up past these banana trees. We'll make another vid. Hi guys, well looks like we've got 2 small drums. Now I think that's for the building of the house. I don't know, I could be totally wrong. I don't think 2 drums is big enough for this house. But we'll have a look at the house, it looks like it's being built. Yeah, they're using it for the workers, I think. They've got 2 drums there for this big house, big bungalow. And what I'm wondering is that enough for the water for one house this size? I'm not sure about that. Well, we've just had a dog barking at us. Like I said, they're good. They do a very good job. The dogs here, guys, they do a good job. You know, they'll bark and bark and bark, let you pass, and then they'll stop barking, so they'll do a really good job.
Yeah,
That's the drums there. I didn't think really 2 drums would be big enough for this house, because it's quite a big bungalow, quite a big house. But maybe them 2 drums is enough. It's enough for this house, I don't know. Honestly, I haven't got a clue. I thought you might need a really big drum. But I suppose we'll find out. Yeah, it's lovely. It's really too hot today, guys. But it's a lovely day. And I can hear that sky thundering. So I can hear that sky thundering away. And you can hardly see actually. You know, because there's that much sun glare on this phone, I can hardly see. But it's a beautiful day. Lovely big house. Very windy, beautiful coconuts. And we're here at one of the Sorry stores. Absolutely gorgeous. This is where we're off to actually. So I'm going to turn the camera off because we're off to see a friend.
That's what the name of the store.
Yeah.
Annabelle store.
Annabelle store. So that's Annabelle store. Let's have a look. It's Annabelle store. Likes. Well, I'm going to have to do this video again because my phone keeps turning off and on. So when we get up here, I'm going to have to check my phone. Looks like an Aspin. Quite a nice dog actually. Right. Annabelle store, absolutely lovely, guys. You come out to make a nice video, come into the province to make a nice video, and the phone keeps cutting out. You can't win, can you? So have a beautiful afternoon here in MURCIA. Sweet potatoes, malungai. That's the malungai tree, shrub. We'll talk about this plant soon, guys. Superfood. That's the baby, malungai. And it looks like sweet potatoes. How nice is that look? Absolutely beautiful.
That's jackfruit.
Yeah, that's jackfruit. We've got one in our garden. Well, looks like a lovely new build there. Lovely green roof. How nice does that look? Nice little new build there. I've got a bit of a problem with the phone, turning on and off. So guys, one thing after another, take care, God bless. Small videos, I'm afraid. Yeah, we've got some rabbits here. How nice does that look? Absolutely lovely rabbits here. How nice is that? Absolutely gorgeous. Lovely. We're going to get some thunder and lightning, and that's a lovely front, lovely trees. Absolutely gorgeous. She's saying walk faster. So that's a nice front there, look, nice and safe. Absolutely lovely. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, look at that, guys. We've got a storm coming. It's actually going to rain. But this is an old house. I don't know what score is actually with this house. They're just standing. So I don't know what happened here. Whether somebody's built this and they didn't have time to finish it. They're working. I better get a move on, because it's going to absolutely throw it down with rain. Absolutely beautiful here in the subdivision. Sorry I can't make any videos, guys. My phone's turning on and off. It's not working very well. Well, it's absolutely lovely this afternoon. Like I said, I'll keep repeating it. Look at that for a nice build. We're actually going to have to move a little quickly because we've got a really bad storm coming. Just look at that sky. And it's thundering and it's lightning. So we know we've got some rain coming. So it's one hand hold the phone, the other one hold the brelly. So we're here in a subdivision. We've actually just been to see a nice friend of ours. And actually we thought she'd gone, but she's going tomorrow. She's going on a trip tomorrow, so she has to go into Manila. I'll not tell you where she's going, but we've seen her. She's made us a nice cup of coffee. Lovely lady. So this is where we are now, guys. This is where we are. So, like I said, it looks like I'm going to have to go to Bacolod this week and buy a new phone. It's one thing after the other. I've got an idea as well. I mean, I was just chatting to a nice guy I met here in the subdivision. He was riding an Honda scooter. Forgot name on him because I don't know my scooters. Honda scooter. Nice guy. In fact, he's subscribed to my channel. He breeds dogs actually. So maybe I'll get in touch with him when I've got a new phone and ask him if I can go and have a look at his dogs. Because that's what he does, he breeds guard dogs. So he's breeding guard dogs here. And they're quite big dogs. I think the Chow cross Labrador. So you've got quite a big dog. I mean, a Labrador's quite intelligent. Chows can be bad tempered. So they're a good guard dog. Wow. So, looks like we've got a rainy afternoon coming. We're going back to MURCIA. And I'll show you where we are. Wow, it's absolutely beautiful now. I can actually see the phone to talk to you. So I can actually see to talk to you. Where before, guys, it's just that sunny. Being that sunny, I just can't see. Looks like there's another dog at the top of the road there, look. So you got a lot of dogs here, which you need. You need a lot of dogs actually in this subdivision. But like I said, it's quite nice up here. But you know me, I love the province. I don't like the towns, I don't like the cities. And I don't like the subdivisions. It's a beautiful subdivision. It's nice up here. Let me look at this dog. Right, he's running down. He's just running down. There's two dogs running down to my girlfriend. So let me get up here. They're doing a good job. They're coming to look who I am as well, which they should do. They're very intelligent aspins, and that's why I do like aspins. Right, they're here ready to greet me. Thumbs up, take care, God bless. Beautiful afternoon. Right, so we're going down for the bus. Like I said, there's security on here. There's a guy watching me now. So there's a lot of security on here, guys. Which there needs to be, because they're really nice big houses. I'm going to turn around and show you some of these houses. So they're really nice, beautiful houses. So you do need security here. And that's why everyone's got good dogs. Right, we're off down to the main road for the bus. Before it sails it down with rain. Thumbs up. See, look, he's doing a good job. He's watching who I am. Very intelligent dogs, Aspins, guys. Hi guys, we're back home and it's Mr. Rooster and that's his Brgy. How nice is that? Looks like someone's been and they've been after some of the fruit, vegetables. Hi guys, we're back home. We've been to Gwenover's. It's a rainy day, but it's quite a nice day. Please like the videos, please subscribe, please share the videos. I hope my phone's okay, keeps turning on and off. Take care, God bless. Well, looks like Mr. Rooster's having a little think. And he's on his way. In fact, it looks like he's escaped off his lead. Because I never see him off his lead. Or his leash.